Jai Srimannarayana. 18th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Iti kshetram tadha jnanam jneyancha vuktam समासतः मद्भक्ता एतत् विज्ञाय मद्भावाय उपपद्यते। ओम Become Sri Krishna Paramatma's devotee. Declare yourself as Sri Krishna Paramatma's devotee. Then start learning about your essential nature of yourself while you are traveling through your body. Also inculcate exclusive loving devotion towards Sri Krishna Paramatma. With all this, you will be then qualified to attain Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. I shall declare myself as your devotee. Then I will start learning about my essential nature while I am traveling through my body. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely inculcate exclusive loving devotion towards you. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, please make me qualified to attain you. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा, सरस्वतीदेवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमो दशमस्कन्धं 10th स्कन्धं 245th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Hey Bhagavan, Tadbhuri Bhagyamiha Janma Kimapyatavyam. I have to take birth here in this Nandavrajam. It can be in any body, but I have to be born here in this Nandavrajam. Then, yet Gokulepi Katamangri Rajobhishekam. Then I have to take the dust from one of the residents of Nandavraj, from their feet, and I have to sprinkle that dust on my head. That will be such a greatest fortune to me. Hey Bhagavan, because Yajjivitantu Nikhilam Bhagavan Mukunda. Because every resident of this Nandavraj, they dedicate themselves to you. Their life is you. Their pranam is you. Who are you then? You are Sakshat Parabrahma. Even all the Vedas, even till today, they are searching for the dust of your divine feet, but they cannot find you. Such great Paramatma, Paramapurusha, Sarvesvara. Now the residents of Nandavraj, they are dedicating themselves to you. They are your pranam and their pranam is you. That is why I want to take birth here in this Nandavraj, sprinkle the dust of one of the residents of Nandavraj on my head. That is real fortune. Hey Bhagavan, Yela Brahma Padambu. I don't care the status of Brahma. I don't want this Satyalokam. Nivrelandokani padarenuvupai pariveshtinchinanachalade. All the Vedas are searching for you, but you are available, very much accessible to everyone in this Nandavraj. That is why I want to take birth here. That will be the greatest fortune for me. That will be the greatest real luck for me. Like that Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 18th sloka. Iti kshetram tadha jnanam jneyam choktam samasataha madbhaktaye tatvijnaya madbhavayopapadyate. Iti kshetram tadha jnanam jneyam choktam samasataha madbhaktaye tatvijnaya madbhavayopapadyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.